Mom, I'm not really sick, Mommy, because I'm just pretending so I can stay home with Levi, so you won't be alone.
Oh, so nice.
So could I have candy? Please.
But I thought you were sick, and sick boys shouldn't eat candy.
But I was pretending coughing. I was just like, I'm just laughing coughing. that's what cough I'm doing. But I'm doing real coughing, just laughing real coughing. That's what I'm doing.
Oh.
So could I have candy, Mommy? It's fake coughing. You know, just like it is like that, Mommy. Mom, so can I have candy? Can I please have candy?